going, kiddo? Lily, don't step on the baby. Good boy, Fusi.
Yeah, Fusi. Where you going, Taylor? Thank you, Gus.
Gus, don't step on the baby. That's great, Gus. Gussie, don't look baby. Milo, go see Papa.
Gus, go away. Gus, go away. Go away, Gus.
I bet if he sees the camera, he'll come to it. Milo. What's Mama got? Oh, the camera. Well, come see. Come see the camera. Come on, my guy. Well, come see the camera. Yeah. What are you frustrated about? Well, come see. Come, here we come. Good boy, Milo. Come see this camera. Come see it. Come see it. Come on. I knew the camera would do it. Here he comes. Pause to look at Lily. More forward progress. Go, Milo, go. Go, Milo, go. Army crawl, Milo. Well, come on. Come see this camera. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come see. Good boy. Look at you go. Thank you, Gussie. Thank you. Look at you go, Milo. Look at you go. Oh, you're such a strong kid. Oh, pause. Look at Lily. Squirrel. Good boy. Mommy's okay. Watch out, puppies. Mommy's so proud of you. Oh. You need to smile at Daddy. More crawling. It's tiring being a baby. That's great, Gus. Thank you. Fusi, enough. You waving. Hi, cutie pie. I love you, love you, love you. You made it. Lily, put down the shoe. Can you get my new shoe from her, honey? There he is. Yay! You made it to the camera. Good. Oh. Sleepy time, Milo. And another flyby from Fizz. Okay. I'll pick you up. Here we go.